About to make some pizza wine. We'll use pizza sauce. Make sure you get organic. Alright, you want to make sure you get organic pizza sauce. Read the ingredients, make sure it don't have no preservatives like potassium sorbate in it. Anything with potassium sorbate will stop your yeast and you'll never get wine. Open that up, pour it out. I'm going to pour out a quart of water. Probably not going to need it. You're going to put some water in your jar. Put some water in your pan. Get all that sauce. Turn your heat up on high. Put a pound of sugar in there. 2 1/4 cups, if you don't know by now. Also, this wine pairs well with mozzarella and pepperoni, motherfucker. Alright, once it starts rumbling, cut her off. I'm going to add it back to the jug. The thing I worry about most with this wine is it has a little bit of olive oil in pizza sauce, so hopefully it settles on top or bottom and we can avoid it when we go to secondary. Add it back to your jug of water. Alright, you want to get some Lalvin EC1118. You want to pitch it between 95 and 98.6 degrees. Put some spring water in the microwave and heat it up. That's all I do. Stir it up real good. Get it aerated. You want air bubbles in there so it's got oxygen. Let that sit about 5 minutes and pour it in your jug. Once it's been about 5 minutes, you stir it back up. Get it aerated. Pour it in your jug. Shake your jug up. Put airlock in her. Wait 2 weeks. I'll move our pizza wine to secondary. That smells like pizza. Smells like my beard after a good night of eating pizza and beer. And you get that pukey beard?
Hell yeah.
Pukey beard, you don't know.
You ever eat too much pizza and then it gives you fucking heartburn later in the night?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so hot and disgusting.
But then the next day you wake up and eat cold pizza. Like you gotta
Fight fire with fire.
go ahead and cut that. Ooh, it's bloody. Look at it.
What we got? Pizza wine in the secondary. We're gonna clean it up. Let it sit for a few days and cold crash it. Alright, we're gonna bottle our pizza wine. we got 2.5 bottles out of that. There's the sludge that's left. Pizza wine. Pizza wine. What'd be good is put this in a wine glass with a little slice of fresh mozzarella on the side, a little slice of pepperoni. Smells like pizza. Tastes like pizza sauce. That's some pizza wine right there. It ain't bad. It's a little different.
It don't smell great. I don't think it smells
It smells like onions and pizza sauce, man.
Yeah, it don't smell great at all.
Some pepperoni.
Yeah, stick it in there.
Pepperoni. This was like 4 foot.
Half of it broke off in Philbilly.
Nah, Ian took half of it home and fucking abused that shit.
Oh, I don't like that.
You don't like pizza? Take a bite of that.
Ah, fuck that. You
My
stupid.
buddy Josh brought me a fucking 4 foot pepperoni stick.
Fucking pizza, motherfucker. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Fuck your mama!